A lot of Okpetu, Kasala, and Wuruwuru, they bust hard for Nigeria for the past how many weeks now. We just done our brother, what they call Brimo. Oh, yeah, na boss Ubiani Ejo. He said for the past how many days, how many months, how many years, wait days, so you have a border, he said, no, they breathe well. He said the heart, no, they breathe well. Then they call Budu, because I know they interpret for every time. Oh. He said the heart, no, they pump well, or they pump, where you have fire, heart na fire. We say, what did they do? You say something they had, say, because for the past how many years now, right, Two-Face tell us, say, you understand, he said they stretch your wife, say the teeth pain now, they even beat her, they bolora themselves, say the teeth pain now. Say so now the time now to tell Two-Face, say what you do, you not good. Why you go say I dagatalize your woman? Say the teeth they pain now. Everybody don't know about this news. Don't be this news that they go about. And those of you who don't know Brian Mona every day, they say Arambe. Where they wear, you sing one video, say you call naked. I don't know whether you want gospel must be crazy. That video I watch, I say Brian Mona, you understand what I mean? But not be that side they go. As the team boss out, now where they go be this. So Nigeria celebrity, half one, they never too known as I have celebrity. Una don't boss out. Because some of them, they already do this thing. Where I want to talk about. So some of them. People go come, go talk say Davido do the something. Una just come. Hey, you are chasing cloud. You are chasing like this. Davido cannot do that. Like say you know Davido Richards. Only music you know. All celebrity be like normal human being. Not if you say because see they get fame. They cannot do what you they do. This man cry out, say the thing they bother him. Somebody say you that guy wife. You know the kind pain. You know the kind name where they don't spoil. If not real true, you cannot know whether not true. Because I hear better where. Somebody cry out that the freeze. We don't even know which side you did anywhere. Now you they jump go. Okay, jumping shaking. You come outside. You say no be this time nah. Why nah? These people are passed through a lot. Somebody they talk about you. They talk about the people. Advisor. This is what you when they ever see to say you see that guy person wife. When are they try even they solve, you they tell person. So not be nah. People they tell you, they tell say I'm not talking to you. So now the guy you they talk to. Somebody they pour out at. Your own have to do investigation on a true on a lie. Some people can share their problem online. Some people go fit share their own for another place. So you know if you tell person where to share a problem, because maybe you want to solve a problem. They now why who? Why you they solve the pastor problem for online? But not be your own, they go until I see this one, if the worry boy. This video, it just make me look, say, all of una just define good face. All of una not even know. I'm not sure so una get talent. Una they behave like people will not get future. Una they do like all those eye service. Somebody and Two-Face get problem. He right say Two-Face, your regime don't even pass and farm work, go and do farm work. Like you can't do video. Those of them never watch them. Oh yeah. Regardez là-bas.
Brimo Olawale, you need to get yourself checked for real. You know. I quiet since I lock up. I dey wait whether I go hear anybody address the fact that Brimo actually insult Two-Face. The fact say you accuse Two-Face, say one thing, yeah, thank you for this. That's not my fucking business. That's a personal issue. If it actually happened, then the appropriate quarters will handle that part. But for you to now wake up from sleep, say Two-Face, your time don't pass, go open farm or something. From who? You and your time no start at all. Then everybody quiet for that. And when Two-Face will they talk, to Baba, our king, all of a sudden, everybody, all of a Brimo, you drink soda. No, make I know now. No, you see, man's way to let's even make this thing. Fuck if you worry about not be if you worry about at this point. And I'm a fan of Tu Baba, 20-something years of career. Then one goddamn porcupine matcha just wake up, open my talk to Two-Face like that. Then if nobody go respond. Don't reach like that. For Brimo. Okay, because it isn't a talent. You see, let me tell you this entertainment what they do. So let's tell ourselves the fucking truth. We don't know anybody before until they blow, including myself. Me never really blow. So, but nobody know us before. From nothing level, we boss at. Everybody they struggle. Wizkid is doing Nigeria, Africa proud, the world proud safe. We get people, untouchable fucking legends, icons of this country. They see the bunch, one. But then two Baba case different. Now everybody, if I don't want to know who you be, if they rain now, Two-Face at one point in time inspire you. So one Brimo. Oh, you sabi sing, you get talent. Good for you, bro. But sadly, entertainment they look who talent, oh, they look who they rain. And Two-Face in that regards, apart from saying get talent past you, he has been reigning for years. Do you understand? But what people even fail to understand is say music, no be sports. So there's no really competition in music. That's just the bitter truth. But if somebody don't give you their life for 20-something years, still they push further, too many people come on with Two-Face, they don't calm down. Baba still there on top. Say anybody want feature Two-Face cause stress. You even say you say me you can feature it for song. You call it thinker. You. No, they be like say get where. They be like say get where Brimo the ring when we don't know. I get mad love and respect for your talent, oh. Don't get it twisted. But you see this personality where they bring come out so. Fuck you, bro. You say Two-Face. Your time don't pass. Go open farm. You already get farm safe. Now you start to work there now, remain. Yes, let somebody come out and say this shit. Because say people they quiet. So Brimo go saw Two-Face will go quiet. Baba, they crazy. Get out! Get out! What did happen for this country? What did happen, safe? Why? Since when?
You can't do videos. Say Two-Face, you be fan. Who are you, Brimo? You never get talent, but you get talent. You don't see he saw the guy too. You understand? Because I don't need to look you for here. If I look you for here, I want to see you face to face. Some of them they do eye service. This one are two grown-up men I they fight. Nothing concern you. You want corner. You want nod. Somebody they take. If like they never accuse you say you dagger person wife once, you go know how it be. You know how that thing be because anybody now will see Brimo now, they come close to person babe now. Say, oh yeah, no, ain't Two-Face you. You don't know how it be like Bomana. He just they do quick. He don't know where he this today. Somebody they talk. You now say you see he's sort of the same talent. Mona la person. If you love Two-Face well, those of you now want back Two-Face or back anybody Brimo. If you love Two-Face well, when they beat and when you want to do peaceful protest, why you not come outside do video? When they beat you, Jay, because you don't reach Brimo and all of now. I don't just know why. If you talk about how do they call her? Wizkid, just go attack person. Oh. Wizkid cannot do that. If you talk about Davido, say oh. If you talk about but all this energy for none of the video use for the president, none of the use for the people where they make Nigeria bend. Now Brimo all of them now don't jump come because he get problem whether it's if you get mental problem. I don't know, but no, that's how they talk because sometimes if it you Brimo it but I just want correct so kind thing. You understand? All this time where you tell the reply people I'm the king of Nigerian music, the one where Nigeria ever made, and they see all those things, and they look, so we make bows, so we go, so we Colorado, see, because this rainy season, so you understand? They know they couldn't no craze. Because when the rain, they fall, the craze don't play. You understand? Now one police our area take by mistake go arrest Chris. Take it say, now normal you might be waiting to work for late hour movement. You know, all those Escolo Chris, all those Chris, they don't read book don't food their head, they go arrest. Where are you going? The guy say, what are you trying to elucidate? And police don't like English, Nigeria and cover. Because they tell the other one, I don't get on that. Now until when they call they go, when the guy call they talk things. And then they call say they don't cash. We call it tell them, say, this is 2018. And I cannot stand here to see I'm intimidated. And we did 2021. Even the police, they call they look each other and say, oh yeah, we boot to Nana. You understand that? So now say it just be. So please, if anybody want to talk in mind, make it talk in mind. When I know they come, I'm a fan, and you are a big boy. Una too like eye service. Nigeria news that is entertainment don big pass say if I no lawyer give this guy, if I no do like this give this guy, e no go help me. Una dey do this thing. Jollof dey do am, if e dey do mostly especially all the worry people. Una just wan do eye service for people to say oh we dey their side, we dey their. My guy, dey your side. Your fan dey with you katpe. Not be Davido, oh yeah, Two-Face fans na go help you. Oh yeah, na only you wan go fit help yourself. So I dey read this thing to give all the upcoming. Not defend anybody. Stand on your right because you don't know the ones where they did the guys whether truth now they talk on a lie. You understand? So make Two-Face here now fiscalize their fight. Go straight to the news or no time. Nigeria are the best country where worship God pass. If you see where Nigeria they pray here, if you see where Nigeria they worship God, not be here. But many of them they worship the fake Jesus and the fake God. Because some of them they worship on a pastor. Take it on they worship God. On a pastor will come outside, oh, give and see, choctalize God. Who can give this and see what God will do in 10 days, in 1 month, in like this? We start to the give. Take it, say, God, what will you give us something? But we know they think. Even poor people, they rich. That is, people who don't know God, they rich. People who know they serve, we be Muslim, they rich. People who be Christian, they rich. People who they Hindus, all of them, they rich. Rich is not be about say you serve God or you serve this or you serve Igbe. Rich is a mindset. There are people they born they call rich. On and on. No. Now for the Pandora's paper, been at the Pandora's paper. When a pastor don't dey inside, I tell me go to lies open company for abroad. Put the pikin name that they take percentage and you are here praying to God. You want shocktalize God. Oh, kaya ba later bozo. On a winners pastor we na name don't dey there now so. If na politician name na day na or na Buhari name, all of them don't shout. We said it. They thief our money. But all this on a pastor anyway day so na grace is a servant of the Most High. God cannot allow that person poor. So now it's like God, they answer only the prayer of the pastor, but you know they answer the prayer of the members. 99% of Nigeria Christians, some of you are serving fake God. And when I go pray every day, when I go church Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, nobody they turn at the truth. When I just did they ginger on a spirit, but they know they ginger on a brain. The spirit in the young ginger. You are just preparing somewhere where you don't know where you they go. Even dream, where you they dream, you cannot control it for dream that they Columbia you for dream that they hang you. Spiritual woman will call, spiritual husband will call. Could you even that guy you free without saying no, we will give you money? You understand what I mean now? When I know what they talk, no be everything they but when I want control, prepare heaven when you don't know how you want everything enter. Jesus Christ say, for rich man to enter heaven, he be like car head to pass through the needle. But now some Christians change and say, Jesus Christ died for me to be rich like this. He. But you don't ask yourself, say, why be saying at them they rich, you know they rich? Why be saying at them they do like this? Because they use your head. Investment now go make you rich. Discipline now go make you rich. Worshipping God cannot make you rich, cannot make you poor. Worshipping God now go make you enter heaven. If you not know now, know today. For you to worship God, you not guarantee you say you go rich or you go poor. It guarantee you say you go enter heaven. And if you not keep the commandment, you call the one please people. Oh yeah, now would you keep the fire now? Where you say you won't go so? Where you prepare for so? Everybody won't go heaven, but nobody won't die. According to my guy, you understand? Nobody won't die. Now, pastor, your pastor, now children, 80% investigation journalists don't bring her hearts now. And some of them are going to say, oh, make it poor before, make it do like this before. I'm having roro. Some of them are not guesses. The problem of this Nigeria, now the politician, the monks, and the Christian, and all these pastors, now be your problem. Not just only politician, because the politician, they go church. If I talk to them, I say, oh, you will die. Why you will talk to a man of God like this, you will die. And so they always answer now the simple something. God sent Jesus, come, Jesus. God send her come. Aje Columbia Jesus, people will kill Jesus, God never do anything. Now come in where they correct you from your pastor, where they scandalize you, now God won't kill. Just wait now whether God go kill me. You understand now? So I dey advise you now, think well. Those of you who never see the page where they go read them. Momo put her for the front. Go read them. Now it be this, and the article be this. Go read them. When you see how your pastor, his children, and everything. And I don't know why if God call Nigeria pastor, God go call her the wife. God go call her the children. God go call his brother. God go call his cousin. God go call his mama. Because when Jesus Christ they do the work of God, not only one God call. Jesus Christ get brother. If you don't know, check. He did the Bible where they call me Jesus. He they preach. They call say your brother and your sister. They wait for you. They born follow Jesus. Now they say no, you are my brothers and sister. But in this time, I got to call Jesus. Jesus Christ, Mama Joseph, Mama Mary go be pastor. His papa go be bishop. His brothers go be pope. They put them there. This thing is business. Ama be gonna be rorona, make a vuama na business. If you like, well, this way you go die. I see they go so. Not be die. Think where. If anybody they talk to you, think where. Don't let them ginger your spirit like the way your boys say they ginger white women, they collect money. And so pastor, they do you. Neither they inside now so. And all these people, both the politicians where they inside this paper, where they break up, nobody go prison. Nobody go anywhere. We will watch it, we say, oh, and everybody want me Nigeria good. I just they look on now. Go to the other news. You thank you, investor. Momo go straight to another news, no time. Our brother where they call wider screen. Okay, where they don't decker. For the past how many months, you know what let us hear was say one beat fure. Ugo fure na one robo man. Where mama na robo from Usiefru. And the papa na be UK stroke or another country. Where am no more and oru boko kiesi, you go feel say never get strength, you know feel blow. This news now for all those people they feel say other sugar daddy, they not feel they not feel they stretch get. I just they told me as in a lie. So on sugar daddy and you hang him you not go feel hang there like that. Because some of them now go they look Regina Daniel, what are you doing with this man? What are you don't know all these men they get straight. Because some of them they think say a person don't hold, you know they get straight, you are wasting your time. Oh yeah, na esi you go for it na oh we why dana ye or dekire whether you be a kinegun cruise you come like star where they play all those Sega that time where they blow some kind person ugbegbe crook play we star will come outside like this before the person will call day okay. For round 3, they first blow wider for twice. Round 4, wider blow the guy 4 because it's okay. Round 7, oh yeah, oh boy, see blow. They blow wider, even wider. Because they call Mama say don't red. Mama say no continue. And some people, this coach for the bossing, people where be that coach, where they coach all those people where they boss. All of you now for the world from Africa to Europe to America, we not go heaven. Una say for round 7, they don't kill wider. He say you can do it. Go, give him. Wider mumu, you see go. He already he bleed you. He can't go reach round 11. Oh yeah. No. These are our robo brother. One I don't know. They don't know. You understand? Now let me tell them because they call you say fure. They say they tell you call you fure. No, no, fure. You understand what I mean? So as they talk to them now, they just say parade. Don't they lie again? Just leave them. May they not believe until when you come visit us from Madaja. And then they deck the guy. They deck it and come out here. Those of you know one wish they deck come over here. Rigadilova.
Staying on his feet, taking supernatural strength. Fury throwing that uppercut again, and that's it. It's over. Russell Mora waves it off. He's not counting. Russell Mora called the end to this fight with Wilder in the air. Yeah. Wilder did not even hit the canvas, and Mora said, "No, that's it."
The guy said confused. The ref say who? Never tell the ref. Say, finish the game. After the match, in office stand, go house. They rush and go hospital just to go fix this thing at the body where they deck because all the head, they punch everywhere. They say nothing they talk well now. Nothing they talk well now. You know they do oh shit. Now they do things where they beat a call. And they say okay, where the fit do and they rush and go hospital for US. They not fit do one. They go Europe. They not fit do one. Before they cut it, they say one woman for our area here from Ohwahwa. Go fit do one. All those oriri, those of you don't know oriri, all those old women with the massage. Either the massage, either they put tobacco for mouth. They know they talk well. Mama wena ohukwo eteje iponuna. You understand? Those women, if they cash you, they are not the street. They be like he crap, and they don't carry and go meet. So the woman touch white and I say money we go take say we don't blow for a madaga. Say we don't blow. The old woman say na 2 shinap and 350 naira. Now the ghost say make it take. We say guy we go negotiate give you and your ghost. Because your ghost cannot talk any another woman want massage. This is now. You understand now? So this one na lesson to all of us. Not be about to grab, not be about to. My guy, who go beat you. Only fure, who go fure na. Woman, I do block. But guy, strength day. That's why they dege. The man, he go even beat Anthony Joshua. The guy, we are even take fear. Until I go see this video, the guy say what they give her energy. Now soapy. Yeah, soapy. Say they do soapy 7 times. Like they go 7 rounds a day, every day. Now they pump. Or your pump. Those of them never watch Amoya.
What is your day-to-day going to look like leading up to February 22nd?
I get up in the morning, take a shower, take a shave, brush my teeth, go downstairs for breakfast, then I go to the gym, do working out, then I come back, take a shower, regroup, have some more food. That's it, train twice a day, eat, sleep, train, repeat, really, that's it. I don't really do anything else apart from that while I'm in training camp. I don't go out, I don't see people, I don't speak to people on the phone, I don't take phone calls, I don't take emails, I don't search Google. I just literally live in training camp like a Spartan Trojan warrior, and that's it. What will be on the night is all in the hands of the gods.
Now, eliminating yourself from all the outside distraction, is that what helps you kind of regroup and prepare your mind?
Yeah, I'm really eliminating all the distractions this time. No phones, nothing like that. No Diet Coke, which I've become susceptible to. I've had tons and tons and tons of it every training camp. This is the first training camp in 10 years I never had 1 Diet Coke, and I will not have any till after the fight. This is the first training camp where I'm going to bed early at 9:30 every night. And I wake up every morning at 7 a.m. fresh as a daisy. I'm doing a lot of things that I didn't do before. I'm eating 5-6 meals a day. I'm drinking 80 litres of water a day. I don't know if even any of that really matters on the night. It didn't matter before, but if it's going to give me an edge on winning this fight, then I'm willing to try it. Why not?
What are some of the other things that you're doing to prepare for this fight?
I'm masturbating 7 times a day. 7 times? 7 times. Keep me testosterone pumping. Pump it up. Don't you know?
That's a lot.
Yeah, listen. I've got to keep active and testosterone flowing for this fight. Don't want the levels to go down.
Lineal champ in that regard too.
Yes. Why not?
Hey Fight fans, it's Michelle Joy Phelps. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do so by clicking this icon right here, or else.
Oh yeah, now we soapy, say that soapy they give her energy. For this side they say soapy they take your destiny, they take your destiny, they make life not they grow. Now you just say that we don't confuse so. Our pastor they confuse us here. If now here you do, you know if you do soapy. They say soapy they make person they get energy. They make you try it. Soapy. Maybe get the kind of soap shop, maybe soda or those omo or clean soap. No, clean soap or got to recap on. We go straight to the other news, no time.